How's it going, everybody? Today I wanted to talk about something that every contractor should know about and should be thinking about when it comes to their commercial insurance, and that is installation floaters. You may have heard this term, but in this video I'm going to go into what exactly it is and why it is important for your business to have. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, and then overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. And before we get too far into the video, I do want to invite you to subscribe to this channel, and if you find this video helpful, useful, anything like that, please feel free to like and share it with anyone else as well. An installation floater is a type of insurance coverage that helps protect materials and supplies while they're being installed or waiting to be installed on a job site. This coverage also extends to materials while they are in transit to the job site, which can obviously be a big deal for contractors that are constantly moving materials from one site to another or from their main location to another. Now, why exactly does this coverage matter so much? Think about all the risks that could come up with a job or a project. There could be a fire, theft, vandalism, or even something like storm damage to the materials before they're actually installed. Without an installation floater, you could be left having to pay all of that out of pocket to replace those damaged items. So this obviously can be a potentially major financial hit, especially for larger jobs. It's also worth mentioning that an installation floater is different from general liability insurance or property insurance. General liability insurance will typically not provide coverage for materials until after they're actually installed. Having the installation floater in place helps cover that gap before they're actually installed. It's also important to note that this coverage focuses on materials, not necessarily tools and equipment. Those items would need to be covered on what is called an inland marine policy. And depending on the value of that piece of equipment, you would want to make sure that it is scheduled out and insured to a value that you feel comfortable with. And if you're not sure what particular coverage you might have in place for these items or for an installation floater, it is definitely worth reviewing to make sure that it is in line with what you expect. The good news about installation floaters is that one, they are fairly affordable to include as a part of your insurance program, and then second is that they are fairly flexible. So they can be tailored to your specific needs in terms of the amount of coverage you actually have to purchase. And then again, it does provide that fairly broad coverage, helping cover your materials while they are in transit, temporarily stored at a job site, or again, waiting to be installed. So this makes this coverage very important to help round out your commercial insurance program as a contractor. So thank you for watching, and if you are looking for help with your commercial insurance as a contractor or any other type of business, I would love the opportunity to work with you to see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, fill out a contact form, whatever is easiest. And if you have any other questions about insurance, please feel free to leave them in the comments below or reach out directly, whatever is easiest. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.